Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you are an old OG, welcome back again to the channel. To kickstart off our 2020, we'll be doing some upcycling, which is my new series on my channel that I'll be doing. We all know we don't know what to do with the fabrics that we just want to throw away. So this year I've decided to do a little of upcycling because fashion is going into a sustainable fashion type of world, and the first thing we're going to be making is this pin cushion. Sometimes we get like these small ass pin cushions, sometimes we get these weird ass pin cushions. This pin cushion, you can decide to make it in your own way. You can leave it this way, you can add a handle to it, you can make it even bigger, you can make it smaller. The pattern and the way that I'm going to illustrate to you to do it is actually very simple, and you could use it and alter it in any way you wish to do. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you really love my videos and you would like to see more. If you would like to get notified on new videos that I upload every week, don't forget to click on the notification or the bell icon on YouTube. Let's get into this video, and I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to start off with the things we need, like this white chalk. You could use a fabric marker. You're going to need your fabric, which you're going to make the pin cushion with, some scissors, as well as a ruler to measure around. You could also use a measure tape, and of course your fabrics. So the first thing you're going to do, and I'm so sorry if you guys can't see clearly, I really tried, but this is a very simple video that you guys can do. You're just going to basically draw out a rectangle or a square according to the measurements that you would like your pin cushion to be size of, and then you're just going to double your fabric, and then you're going to cut around the place that you have measured. We're now going to sew this together. Please don't forget to leave about 5 centimeters of an opening so you can turn your fabric around, and also for you to be able to put and insert the fabrics that you would like to build the pin cushion in. Once you've sewn everything and you've left your little area open, you are now going to clip the corners. This is purely just to help you to turn the pin cushion fabric around, and for those corners and edges to be nice and clean. And then you're just going to turn it inside out, and you're also going to put your fabric inside on that little opening. You could decide to cut your fabrics in little pieces. You could decide to put it as it is. I chose to put it as it is, and then from there, that little opening, you're just going to hand stitch it. You could do a blind hand, you could do a normal stitch, however you please. As I've illustrated here, this is my pin cushion. I did it with a normal stitch on that little opening. I closed it with a normal stitch. I wasn't really trying to make something fancy. I just wanted to upcycle my fabrics. And also remember, you can create it however you would like it to be. You can create a handle on it. You could just go wild with it and be creative and create whatever type of pin cushion you would like to create. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again on the next video.